I have a 15-year-old son and a 5-year-old son, and for them to see where I came from just being able to survive and get by to being able to provide, servicing the community and others is a great way to not only make you feel good, but actually tapping into who you are and what you can give to others versus what others are giving to you. And the gift of service is better than any physical gift that you could give to somebody, because people just want people to care about them. Enjoy your year. Know that you have thousands of AmeriCorps members backing you, and know that I am always there. If you have any questions, you can find me, because I am not only an AmeriCorps service member, I am an advocate for a healthy AmeriCorps service year. So know to just have fun, go out there, network, meet as many people as you can. It is a year-long interview that you have with your service site. Make that year-long interview a great one. Show them that you are the best that you can be, and that's exactly what I would tell anyone that's starting their first year in AmeriCorps. From me to you, the first inductee to the Flint Recovery Corps. My name is LaDelvin Walker. I am an AmeriCorps member, and I get things done.